Hi, welcome to Taters TV. This is take number 6 of trying to get this video just right. Thought I had it on the previous one and discovered I'd done something wrong, so here we are again. I've got a lot of stuff on this screen. This is to test the new version that is supposed to address some of the caching problems. Let me give you a little orientation about what I've got on this screen. First, let's take a look at my cache. I have emptied the cache. I've seen it work. I know it's all functioning now. Earlier it was not turned on, so we got that working. Currently, there's nothing cached. In this screen up here, I have work with active jobs, and it's currently not refreshing. So I'll hit a reset on it, and then I'll start it refreshing. So for the duration of this will update itself and show us what's going on with the different Java jobs. This version of active jobs is updating itself or resetting itself every 15 seconds, so we can see kind of what's going on 15-second increments. And then this down here is the garbage collection. It's at 449, which is about where it starts out at, I think. And I've got an order. I've built this order. I've already filled in the global with compatible options. I've put 25 items on here, 5 groups of 5, so that we get that repeat. I'll hit enter on them. I'll submit them or complete them so that it goes to the background, because as I understood it, it was the background caching of multiple items that was particularly egregious in the memory usage. So let's take a look at where we are. We can see that the iProducts are consuming most of the time, and a bunch of our ODBC jobs are going on from manufacturing and from purchasing. 15-minute elapse. Yep, it looks like it's doing what it needs, and we're at 450 now on the heap. So I will go to my first item on here and hit enter. And I'm expecting it to put all of them into the red wrench with the little marching ants going around them. Yep. So I will hit complete and watch this thing hopefully go away. Yep. So let's go see what's going on with our cache, and we can see that it's building our caches. Let's try a different key. Yeah. Last night we ran a cache rebuild on our live environment, and for the about 4,000 items that are in it, it consumed, or it didn't consume them, I guess. It processed 1 every 4.11 seconds on global averages, right? Okay, so it looks like it's built all of our models. I believe there was only 5 models in there. Yep. I keep clicking with the wrong cursor. We can see the TST is working pretty hard on doing its stuff. We have not started making work orders yet. One of the frustrations that order processing has is part of their process is to go and look at the WS26 and make sure that it is processing and that it's got the right promise date on it. This one has not started that yet. I don't believe the customer's on hold or the order's on hold. I took the customer off hold. That was getting in my way a lot. Just take a look. Nope, the order's not on hold. Let's see if the customer, make sure we've got all the stuff. That's an old order. Yep, see, this is an unreliable customer right here. So let's go back to the work orders and see if they are processing. Not yet. What's it Oh, yeah, sucking up a lot of processor. That memory's going up, isn't it? It was sitting about 500, and we're at about 1262 now. W10 must have started up. So let me get these from overlap. Yeah, there it goes. I don't believe we've got much going on in the realm of the memory heap. Should it clear out? Should it go back down to the 450 when I log out? What should it do? I'm not sure where or what it should do. Cache is all still there. Order still processing. See, it's kind of interesting. It's actually consuming more processor on average than the iProducts were. Just could be a different level of activity, I guess, going on. I'm guessing these are done. Nope, one last one to go. Base 42s are, they're big. So that's all done processing the work orders. We're obviously out of the order. We can see that we're averaging some time consumed over the 15-second refresh period, or on average, right? Looks like iProducts has taken over Frontier 4.0. It's got a little bit of activity. I don't expect we're going to see the test environment come back onto here. And then the average one, the one that's averaging itself, should, I'm hoping, begin to fall off that list here pretty soon. I still find it pretty interesting that it is neck and neck with the iProducts, which is running all the rest of the operations, except for shipping. Shipping is in the Frontier 4.0 or 4.0 Java machine, so they have their barcodes. If there's anything else you need me to test, any other processes, any other methodologies to go about testing this, let me know. I'm just kind of guessing based on some of the things I heard and what I think you might want to see. It looks like it's working okay. We can go into one of these items. No. 22142. There we go. We can go into one of these things, check it out. It's got buy outdoors. It looks like it's got the components I'm expecting on it. Look at the configuration string. I've got working segments and non-working segments. Looks like I got the right values in there. So if I go to it, well, let's go to number 14. Why not? Yeah, it's the same kind of thing. Oop. Yeah, so I don't think that's broken. From a is it resolving the cache problem? This is what I can see. We'll run some more tests to make sure that the overall program is working correctly, or at least from what we can observe before we try deploying this to live. Let me know if there's another test you need me to run and how to do that. Anyhow, thank you for watching Daters TV.